Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to activate your Starling Bank card using your computer and the Starling mobile app. It's simple, secure, and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to starlingbank.com. Step 2. On the top right corner of the homepage, click Login. Then click Login again to continue. Step 3. Now, enter the account number and phone number you used when registering your Starling Bank account. Step 4. Once your details are entered, you'll be prompted to log in using the Starling app on your phone. Open the app, approve the login request, and you're in. Step 5. After logging in, go to the Card section in the app, tap Activate Card, and enter the 3-digit CVV on the back of your card. Done. Bonus tip, you can also freeze or unfreeze your card in the same section of the app, perfect if you ever misplace it. And that's it. You've now activated your Starling Bank card and you're ready to start spending. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech guides. See you next time!